welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. Now we're going to do the drizzle integration, so let's go ahead and open up that process. And we need to, it's going to get applied to the light we just created, so we need to add those drizzle files back. So we're going to make sure we're in our aligned folder or our registered folder, whichever one you put them in. We're also going to take advantage of the local normalization files we created. Again, we're still in that same directory. And our scale is going to be how many times that it's going to scale up that image. So we're 6,000 by 4,000, so that's going to be 12,000 by 8,000 in size. If you want more information on what this does, head over to the Light Vortex Astronomy page and the tutorial on this. He does a decent job of explaining where this came from and how it worked, or how well it works. So we're going to leave everything else default, and we're going to click Apply to Global. Alright, excuse me. Alright, this is completed. So let's take a look at what we have. Let me create my process icon first. And we'll close this out. And let's see what we are working with. That looks a lot better. Now, that's the first time I've used Drizzle, and I am happy with it. So let's save that file. Alright, and the first thing I'm going to want to do, close out these other files. Just leave this one open. And I'm just going to go ahead and save these real quick. Alright, so at this point we are done with our pre-processing, and we'll be moving into post-processing next. But before we move on, I want to do a quick ABE just to see what we're dealing with. Let's expand that out, stretch it. And still got Still gonna have to crop that in pretty good. But it's definitely better than what we had. So close that out. And one last thing I want to do is I want to come over here and I want to go into my working images, and let's see. So our file size is about 5 times as large. And let's look at the details. And let's see here. All right. So with that, I'm gonna say we're good at this point. So thank you for watching. See you in the next chapter. Hit that like button, subscribe, ring that bell, and as always, clear skies.